what's up everybody? Welcome back. It's been some time since I've made a video. It's already May and the weather is starting to look nice. It's been rainy, it's been windy, and I just haven't had a lot of time to fly. So I've flown a couple of times. I've brought the GoPros and filmed, but I haven't really had a reason to make a video. So I think I'm just going to throw all that together, take you guys along today, and just show some different flights over the last couple of months. And yeah, we'll just see where that goes. Alright, so we put up a fence in the backyard and I borrowed some drill bits from a friend. He's got a 900-foot grass strip and I'm going to fly these two auger drill bits back to their house real quick.
Falling to pieces in my room. I could use a little something to do. We could go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm walking out my head through open windows. Cause that's what I feel like. Do it tonight. Waking up my brain, maybe you can do the same thing. You want me to say something, I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long in my head, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen. And when it happens, I'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. When it happens, I'll be dancing on the lawn when it You want me to say something,